How do we get this out onto the web? Well, we do that through Encore, which, by the way, works with Photoshop as its editing engine. And because we make both programs, Photoshop and Encore, you can do anything in Photoshop, and Encore won't care. You know how DVD Studio Pro kind of uses Photoshop? And sometimes you have to rasterize something in a button on text to get it to work here. We make both programs. We keep them both updated, so it doesn't matter. You're working with native PSDs with no issue. So we can output a DVD, a Blu-ray disc, and also a Flash website. This will take every single bit of navigation, every button you made, every video and slideshow, and turn this into a website. And it looks, so there's their design motion background. You notice down at the bottom I've got buttons in here. I've got pop-up Blu-ray menus, will be Flash menus. I'll play this. It's going to play. I can jump ahead if I want.
Guilty.
Now, before you think those are automatic subtitles created from story, they're not. The demo guy needs to be shot because that's what most people think. Wow, it did automatic subtitles. It did not. You have to create those manually inside Encore, but you can copy and paste the text that came from. It doesn't mean that we still can't search for the text in the video. So with this playing,
Running your heels on the
I'm
face of the
search
old
for the
gods.
word man.
Your sorcery ends here.
And not only does it find man,
man,
it gives me a
that hand
pre-roll
wears an iron
before
glove.
man so I can hear the context.
You wept it for the sword makes you a slave.
I am a slave to no man in heart.
Your footsteps of the righteous man are not.
Can you sell this? Yeah. I tell you, everybody wants something like this. It's that easy. Great way to do dailies. You know, if this is on a secure website, you just push a button, you're dumping these things up, you look like a hero. And make this all text searchable. This is our first crack at this metadata workflow, and we've been getting lots of interest, especially from the biggest broadcaster in the world, BBC. Because we talked to the BBC and we asked them, you know, what do you do with your data? And it's something crazy like 13 petabytes a week they generate. And they throw away all of it, but 3%. Because they couldn't see any value in it. Well, who's going to catalog? And then we said, oh, by the way, we could catalog all this stuff for you, and then you could monetize it later. Imagine, you know, what? That's what people want to do, is that, you know, you're not just searching for, you know, a Winston Churchill speech, not just through the name of the speech. You're actually typing in some random words. I'm a musician. I can find the lyrics to any song in the world, right? I Googled some lyrics that I think they are. Did you mean? Yes, I did. Thank you. There's the lyrics. Well, we can't do that for video. This gives us that capability in video. It's pretty darn big. It's pretty amazing. And again, no one did any extra sitting there and tagging and all this extra work. This stuff is just happening right out of the box.